You guys can't see anything right now, but it's so early that the crickets are going like it's night.
Just windy. Hey guys, so we're here, baby. I accidentally forgot the GoPro, unfortunately, but let's see what happens here. Could be pretty good. There's a lot of wind in your face, but that means that it might make them bite the lures a lot. We'll see. Nothing yet, but of course we're still going. The sun just came up, so if they're here, if they come through, the sunlight actually usually makes the albies go crazy.
Discouraged, Aiden.
I just clocked this guy.
Like a snag on. That's pretty cool, right? Look at that.
It is like perfect size.
Should we start throwing green?
Yeah, show the top.
Oh, I can see right through it. Come see. Look at this. It's a good sign. That's okay. The fish might see though. This is like now before. This is like the equivalent of a hot punch sundae.
Kill that motherfucker. Motherfucker. This motherfucker.
He was talking about you running.
Yeah, you're in hockey right now during the spring, summer season right now.
Medical attention.
You're gonna die. You're dying. Hey, can I have your rod then?
It's the most blood I've ever seen.
Going down, you'll see that. See that little shed right there?
Yeah, very end up there. The flag, right?
You can park in the hard man spot. Or you can park in the spot. I don't care.
I don't want to take the guy's spot. Right here? No.
Well, I am the harbor master.
Oh my god, Aiden, that is unbelievable. Did you film that?
Yeah.
That's gonna go in.
Holy shit. Well, actually, I am a harbor
swear to
master.
God, I thought I just saw like massive fish breaking. But
Is it a mirage?
It's the channel. I was losing it in.
Alright, Aiden, see you later.
Yeah, you can, don't worry about me.
Let us know if it turns wide open.
Yeah, if I
Right
see
away.
you go,
Wherever we are, we'll be here. But if not, we'll see you back at the house.
Alright, perfect.
All right, come
I'll see you guys later.
Let's go, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hanging right here in this corner, so
Okay.
I tried everything.
Something will find in there.
Yeah. But the locals are all fishing off these boats here all out here, so there must be something going on.
Hey guys, so we've been waiting in the ferry for a bit under an hour now. It's been a while. It takes a lot to get to Albie Town. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright guys, we're heading out. This is probably it for today. It was pretty we did a lot of fishing today. We didn't get much, but it was still a lot of fun, as always. Make sure to stay tuned, because we're not leaving yet. We're still gonna do some fishing. See you next time.
Persuasion. too much.